In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Worldcoin app. So you can do this by going over to your Google Play Store or App Store and searching for the World app right here. So doing this will install it. So once you've installed it, head over and click on Open. Now here is actually the World app. So you can click on the World coin right here and you can get verified to claim this particular World coin. It's actually worth right now around $72. So click onto this verify now and you can verify humanity by inputting right here your identity and claiming it. So you can see in here the World coin credentials as well. Now I actually need to remind you that you can actually proceed with cautious using this. Now you can also use this learn option right here and then doing this will actually help you sign in and learn and explore the world by doing this. So this app will actually open or see your wallet and verification levels and make sure to sign in. You can also head over right here to the network and you can see the network are freely humans owned by humanity. You can see its verification, the apps, wallet holdings, network coverage, and the likes. You can over right here to the mini apps, click on continue, and you can see some apps that you can actually use using this particular application. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.